Believe it or not, right now I'm on my way to look for some Christmas decorations in my school. Well, it looks like nobody has started decorating for Christmas yet. And I'm not going to take this long trek down this road or this hallway, and there is none.
See you later, alligator.
Well, that's pretty. I may take that walk another day. Well, Miss Dixon, the speech language pathologist, does have something on her door that says Happy Holidays. And so it's promising.
All right.
Okay, so you're not finished yet.
No,
Okay, so I have those words in my video. You're not finished yet.
we are not finished.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Our winter wonderland will be completed sometime before the 19th.
Oh, so this will really be a winter wonderland eventually.
18th and a half.
Is this your Wednesday, cyber, no, what?
Oh my, look at this pitiful tree. Lord help Miss Mac. And that's in the video.
Yeah, help us make.
Yes. Okay. I missed this little thing, which is a Whoville tree that I'm going to try to get. If I get my hand out of the way, I can get the Whoville tree. And this Whoville tree is there to introduce us to an event that's going to be happening nearby.
Until the 19th, until the last day of school.
So this doesn't necessarily, this moose is always here?
No, he just.
He's just here for Christmas. Good. So I'm just going to say that this moose is here because it's 21 days till Christmas.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. And along with this
I'll mind my
moose,
business like you looking.
it's some other little stuff things, but I don't think these other stuff people have anything to do with Christmas.
Yeah, they do.
No, our librarians,
Flyers.
they just want us to read.
I'll buy some
Now, Mr. Bear is always here. But today, Mr. Bear is featuring a book. Can you see what I see? A Night Before Christmas. Okay, great. You guys, there is some hope for Christmas because they've just started decorating around the school. These are trees that will be decorated later.